Hey, hello guys. In this video, we are going to see one mobile application for C programming. So let's see. And before going to start this video, I want to declare that it is not any paid promotion of any app or other thing. So let's start the video. First, go to Play Store. In this video, I also going to show what are the pros and cons of this app. So stay tuned. Search here for coding C. Okay, click on this third number, coding C, the offline C compiler. Click on this. I have already downloaded and installed them, so it is giving me uninstall and open option. You can see here some features and all this stuff. Rating is also very good. More than 5 lakh peoples are downloaded. Here you can see the comments regarding this app. And it got a very fantastic review also. You can see from here clicking on this arrow. So let's download it and open it. It is about 37 MB app. So let's open. This is the first interface of this app after the installation of this app. Here you can see this is the code which already done by developers. For example, here is a branding of coding C. Okay, here is taskbar. You can see from here. This is a run menu. It is giving option for saving and all these steps stuff. Okay. So let's do simple codes, addition of two numbers. First of all, we making this as comment. Okay. Then taking three integers. Yeah. So it required 3 and sum equal to 0 because of there should be no garbage value, so we are taking sum is equal to 0. So we are simply printing some one message that enter two numbers. Okay, then after that we have to scan two numbers as A and B, and then we have to add them using sum is equal to A plus B. Yeah, and then we have to print the result. So we have done the code, so let's run it. Let's see whether it is correct or wrong. It is compiling. Okay, here is some issue. Okay, it is showing B is undeclared. Let's see. Yeah, we have taken C, so let's change it to okay. It is now asking for two numbers, 3 enter, 5 enter, and sum is equal to 8. It is giving correct output. Let's see some advantages of this app. First is, if we want to type in normal apps, we have to go here, then we have to choose like per this is modular sign, this is equal to, or something, it is semicolon or double quotes or any other thing. but in this app we directly getting this taskbar. So here we can apply it directly from here. Let's say I want to show something. If I want to declare, let's see, for loop, something is there. I'm not going to type it correctly. And for curly braces, here it is option, you can see here near the tab. Click on this. So let's see, it is given directly. You can extend it from here by clicking the enter. Next feature is, if you, let's see here, enter, if you want to type in a printf, so let's type pr. Let's see here, it is giving me option, that is you are want to type in a printf or anything. If I am, let's see, if I type the yes, it is giving me the which option you want. It is not required to type all the syntax. Okay, it is minimalistic. Next feature is in the menu bar. Click on this menu bar. Before going to, let's see the presentation on this screen, and click on menu bar and click on the first option, that is format. After clicking this, you will see some magic in this code. It this makes the code in alignment. Okay, this most of, I love this feature because in lengthy codes we need this. These are some other options for open some other file, save, reset. After resetting, it is clearing the screen. Okay, let's discuss some disadvantages. As we are implementing the code on a mobile, it is not efficient as we are doing this on laptop or PC. Here we have one problem, because of small screen. It is sometime the printf statement or any other statement is very lengthy, so we get stuck. I want to show. Okay, can you imagine if we want this in a one screen, that full statement, we cannot implement it. There is no option of zoom in or zoom out. You can see, you have to scroll here for more, more. Okay, this is one disadvantage, which is quite enough, because this we are implementing on mobile, so we have to keep in mind we not getting as efficiency as laptop or PC. But it is, according to me, it is a best app. I am using this app since last 4 months, so I am recommending this. So thank you for watching. Let's go.